Have you ever walked past a papaya tree and only noticed the fruit? Today, we're shining a light on the leaves, an overlooked natural remedy. For generations, papaya leaves have been used in traditional medicine, and now modern science is catching up. We're about to explore the surprising benefits of papaya leaves, packed with powerful phytochemicals and antioxidants. Get ready to discover why this often discarded leaf deserves a second look. Our blood is the river of life, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and vital elements to every cell in our body. It's a complex, dynamic system that keeps us alive and thriving, working silently beneath the surface to maintain our health. Every heartbeat sends this life-giving fluid through an intricate network of vessels, ensuring that our organs, muscles, and tissues receive what they need to function properly. Within this river, platelets play a crucial role. These tiny, disc-shaped cells are essential for blood clotting and healing. Whenever we get a cut or injury, platelets rush to the site, clumping together to form a plug that stops bleeding and begins the healing process. Without enough platelets, even minor injuries could become serious, and our bodies would struggle to repair themselves. When platelet levels drop, especially during illnesses like dengue fever, it can be dangerous. Dengue fever, for example, is notorious for causing a sharp decline in platelet counts, putting patients at risk for severe bleeding and complications. Low platelets can also occur due to other conditions, such as certain infections, autoimmune diseases, or as a side effect of medications. This makes maintaining healthy platelet levels a top priority, especially during illness or recovery. In Southeast Asia, papaya leaf extract has long been used as a traditional remedy to help support healthy platelet counts. Generations have turned to this natural solution, relying on the wisdom passed down through families and communities. The papaya tree, with its broad, green leaves, is a common sight in gardens and backyards, and its leaves are often harvested and prepared as juice or tea. Modern research is beginning to catch up with tradition. Studies suggest that certain compounds in papaya leaf, such as flavonoids and enzymes, may stimulate platelet production in the bone marrow. Scientists are investigating how these natural chemicals interact with our bodies, and early results are promising. Laboratory experiments and small clinical trials have shown increases in platelet counts among people who consumed papaya leaf extract, especially those recovering from illnesses that deplete platelets. This means papaya leaf could help your body replenish itself naturally, supporting the recovery process and promoting overall blood health. For many, drinking papaya leaf juice or taking supplements has become a simple, accessible way to give their bodies an extra boost during times of need. It's a gentle, plant-based approach that aligns with the body's own healing mechanisms. However, it's important to remember that papaya leaf isn't a substitute for professional medical care. If you're experiencing symptoms of low platelets or any serious illness, always consult your doctor before trying new remedies. Your healthcare provider can help you determine the best course of action and ensure that any supplements you take are safe and appropriate for your situation. Still, the potential of papaya leaf to support blood health is both exciting and worth exploring further. As science continues to investigate this ancient remedy, we may discover even more ways that nature can help us maintain our well-being. The story of papaya leaf is a reminder that sometimes the answers to our health challenges can be found in the most unexpected places, right in our own gardens. Sometimes, the simplest plants hold the most powerful secrets. By respecting both traditional wisdom and modern science, we can unlock the full potential of natural remedies like papaya leaf, supporting our blood health and overall vitality for years to come. Every day, our immune systems are put to the test. Whether it's the changing seasons, exposure to pollution, or simply being around others in crowded places, our bodies are constantly fighting off invisible threats like viruses, bacteria, and other harmful invaders. In today's fast-paced world, where stress and environmental toxins are everywhere, keeping our immune system strong is more important than ever. That's why building strong defenses is absolutely essential, not just for avoiding illness, but for feeling energetic, vibrant, and ready to take on each day. A resilient immune system helps us recover faster, stay active, and enjoy life to the fullest with our loved ones. One natural powerhouse that's gaining attention is the humble papaya leaf. This vibrant green leaf is packed with a rich blend of antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, as well as potent plant compounds like flavonoids and alkaloids. These antioxidants act as your body's shield, protecting your cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals, which can weaken your immune response over time. But that's not all. Papaya leaf contains a special enzyme called papain. Papain helps break down proteins in your body, making it easier for your immune system to identify and destroy harmful invaders. This means your body can respond more quickly and effectively to threats, keeping you healthier in the long run. Drinking papaya leaf tea or taking it as a supplement can also help reduce inflammation throughout your body. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties soothe your immune system, allowing it to function at its best. When inflammation is kept in check, your body is better equipped to fight off infections and recover from illness. Chronic inflammation is like a slow-burning fire that can weaken your defenses and make you more susceptible to illness. By calming this internal fire, papaya leaf helps restore balance, so your immune system can focus on protecting you where it matters most. The best part? Papaya leaf is easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you prefer brewing a soothing cup of papaya leaf tea, adding a supplement to your morning regimen, or even using papaya leaf powder in smoothies, you can enjoy its benefits in a way that fits your lifestyle. Give your immune system the support it truly deserves. With papaya leaf, you're choosing a natural, time-tested remedy that's been used in traditional medicine for generations to promote health and vitality. Sometimes, the most powerful protectors are growing right in our own backyards. Next time you see a papaya tree, remember, the secret to a stronger, healthier, you might just be right under your nose. Good digestion is the foundation of health, and papaya leaf can help keep your gut happy. The enzyme papain breaks down proteins, easing digestion and reducing discomfort. Papaya leaf is also rich in fiber, promoting regularity and better nutrient absorption. Early research hints it may support a healthy gut microbiome, which affects everything from immunity to mood. A healthy gut means more energy and better overall well-being. Try papaya leaf tea or a supplement to support your digestive system. Your gut will thank you. Our liver works hard to filter toxins and keep us healthy, but it needs support too. Papaya leaf has been used traditionally to promote liver health and detoxification. Modern studies show it may protect liver cells from toxins and oxidative stress. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds act as a shield for your liver. Papaya leaf may also boost the liver's natural detox enzymes, making it more efficient. Add papaya leaf to your routine for a natural liver boost. Sometimes, a simple leaf can make a big difference. When it comes to achieving radiant skin and strong, lustrous hair, true beauty really does begin from within. While many of us turn to expensive creams and serums, nature often holds the most powerful secrets. One such secret is the humble papaya leaf. This vibrant green leaf, often overlooked, is packed with nutrients that can help you glow from the inside out. Imagine waking up each day with skin that looks naturally luminous and hair that feels strong and healthy. Papaya leaf can be your ally on this journey to inner and outer beauty. By supporting your liver's natural detoxification processes and promoting a healthy gut, papaya leaf helps your body clear out toxins that can otherwise build up and dull your complexion. A healthy liver and gut are essential for clear, glowing skin as they filter out impurities and support the absorption of vital nutrients. When your body is free from excess toxins, your skin can truly reflect your inner health, appearing brighter and more even-toned. The anti-inflammatory properties of papaya leaf create the perfect environment for clear, healthy skin. Inflammation is often at the root of many skin concerns, from redness and irritation to breakouts. By calming inflammation, papaya leaf helps your skin stay balanced, smooth, and blemish-free, allowing your natural beauty to shine through. Papaya leaf is also a powerhouse of vitamin C, an essential nutrient for collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm, plump, and youthful. With regular support from vitamin C, your skin can maintain its elasticity and resist the signs of aging, such as fine lines and sagging. Including papaya leaf in your diet or skincare routine can help you achieve that youthful, radiant look that everyone desires. But the benefits don't stop at your skin. Papaya leaf also nourishes your hair follicles with a rich supply of vitamins A and C, both of which are crucial for hair growth and strength. These nutrients help prevent hair breakage, support a healthy scalp, and encourage the growth of thick, resilient hair. If you dream of having hair that's not just beautiful, but truly healthy from root to tip, papaya leaf can be a wonderful addition to your routine. Incorporating papaya leaf into your daily routine is simple and rewarding. Whether you enjoy it as a tea, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a topical treatment, you're giving your body a natural boost that supports beauty from within. Over time, you'll notice your skin becoming clearer, your hair growing stronger, and your overall vitality improving. Sometimes, the secret to glowing skin and vibrant hair is as simple as embracing the gifts of nature. A single leaf, packed with nutrients, can make a world of difference in your beauty journey. Let your natural beauty shine from the inside out with the power of papaya leaf. Discover the difference that true nourishment can make, and step into each day with confidence and a radiant glow. Oral health is vital, and papaya leaf offers natural support. Traditionally, people chewed papaya leaves to freshen breath and promote oral hygiene. Modern research shows papaya leaf extract fights bacteria that cause plaque, gingivitis, and bad breath. It's a natural alternative to chemical mouthwashes, supporting a healthy balance in your mouth. Papaya leaf's vitamin C also helps keep gums strong and healthy. Try chewing a fresh leaf or using a papaya leaf-based mouthwash for a brighter smile. Sometimes, nature's solutions are the simplest. In a busy world, we all want more energy and sharper focus. Papaya leaf doesn't give a quick caffeine jolt, but it supports natural energy by helping regulate blood sugar. Stable blood sugar means steady energy and better focus throughout the day. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory effects help unlock your body's natural vitality. A healthy gut, supported by papaya leaf, ensures you absorb nutrients for lasting energy. Add papaya leaf to your routine for a natural boost in clarity and vitality. Sometimes the best energy comes from nature. From blood health to beauty, papaya leaf is a powerful, versatile natural remedy. It's not a miracle cure, but a valuable ally for your well-being. Consult your healthcare provider and explore papaya leaf responsibly. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most profound.